Hi 10th class students, today we are going to discuss exercise 10.3. The first problem, an iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeter in diameter and a cone of 42 centimeter height surmounting it. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeter cube of iron weight 7.5 grams. So, it is same as previous problems what we done in the last class. So, we have to do these problems. How like see, this is a cylindrical pillar of height how much meters? 2.8 meters. 2.8 meters is nothing but 280 centimeter. On this, the diameter of the base is how much given? 20 centimeter. In diameter. A cone of height 42 centimeters surmounting on it. A cone of height 42 centimeter. This height is, this is for 2.8 meters, that is H1. Height 2 is 42 centimeters. Find the weight of the solid. So, how like we need to find the weight of the solid? We need to find the volume of cylindrical portion plus volume of conical portions. Afterwards, we need to change into grams. Okay, children, go through the solution. Diameter of the base, of cylinder, that is D is equal 20 centimeters. Height of the cylinder, ఇది అవసరం లేదండి, height of the cylinder. So, diameter afterwards radius of the base of cylinder, R is equal to D by 2, which is 20 by 2, 10 centimeters. Height of the cylindrical portion, height of the cylinder, H1 is equal 2.8 meters, which is 280 centimeters. Changes into centimeters. You know the radius and height of the cylindrical portion. Afterwards, find the volume of the solid. So, volume of cylinder, V1 is equal pi R square R square H1, height of the cylindrical portion. Next, go through the conical portion. Height of conical portion, that is taken as H2, 42 centimeters. Base radius, the base radius of cylinder, base radius of cone both should be equal. So, that radius of cone and radius of cylinder should be equal. So, volume of cone, that is V2, formula 1 by 3 pi R square H2. This is that one. Therefore, volume of the solid, is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone, V1 plus V2. Now we need to solve this one. V1 is pi r square h, h1 plus 1 by 3 pi r square h2. Take pi r square as common factor here. Pi r square take common factor, h1 plus 1 by 3 h2. Now substitute the values. Here pi value not given for us, so we need to substitute the values. 22 by 7 into r value is 10 into 10, h1 is 280 plus 1 by 3 h2 42. 3 ones, 3 1 is 3, 3 4s are 12. 22 by 7 into 100 into 280 plus 12, 294. 294. 7 తో క్యాన్సిలేషన్స్ పోతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేద్దామండి ఒకసారి. 7 3s 7 4s are 28 పోతుంది. 7 1s 7 4s are 28, 7 2s 42 22s, 22 2s 44, 4 remainder, 22 8s 88, 88 plus 4 92, 2 zeros ఉన్నాయి, cubic centimeters. This is the volume of the solid. Now given in the problem, 1 gram weight of 1 gram of iron is how much? 7.5 grams. Weight of 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cc means cubic centimeter of iron. Weight 7.5 grams. Therefore, total weight of the solid is equal, total weight of the solid is equal to 92,400 cubic centimeters into 7.5 grams. Multiply, you get the solution. 92,400 multiply with 7.5. 500, 500, 5 4s are 20, 2 remainder, 5 2s are 10, 12, 1 remainder, 5 4s are 45, 5 9s are 45, 46. 700, 700, 7 4s are 28, 2 remainder, 7 2s are 14, 16, 1 remainder, 7 9s are 63, 64. 0, 0, 0, 10, 13, 9, 6. 693, 4 zeros. Before we have to keep 1 0. 69,300 grams. This one changes into kilograms. This one divided with 10,000. Divided with 1,000. 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 grams. So 69,300, 6,93,000 by 1,000. 3 zeros cancel. 693 kgs. This is the weight of the solid iron. So this is the first problem. All of you take the screenshot of this one. Afterwards, write in the classwork, children. Now we need to go for the second problem, that is a toy is made in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a cone whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. Find the weight of a toy is made in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right cone whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of hemisphere. The radius of base of the cone is 7 centimeter and its volume is 3 by 2 of hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of toy corrected to 2 places of decimals. take pi is equal to 3 1 by 7. 3 1 by 7 is nothing but 22 by 7 children. So we need to do this one. Second problem. In the second problem, see, a toy is made in the hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone whose circular base joined with the plane surface of hemisphere. Radius of the base of cone is 7 centimeters. Radius of base of cone, that is r, is equal to 7 centimeters. Next, and its volume is 3 by 2 of hemisphere. So the volume of cone is 3 by 2 of hemisphere. First of all, we need to find the volume of hemisphere, children. This is height, we don't know, taken as h. So radius of cone, r is equal 7 centimeters. Therefore, its volume, children, volume formula you know that, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Sorry, it is cone. Radius of cone is nothing but radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere, r. So volume is equal 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 into pi value is 7 1 by 3, that is nothing but 22 by 7 into r cube. R value is 7 into 7. 7 ones, 7 ones cancel, children. 44 into 49 by 3 cubic centimeters. This is volume of hemisphere. According to problem, volume of cone is equal, this is V1, this is V2. Volume of cone equal to 2 by 3 of, what is given? 3 by 2, not 3 by 2 by 3. 3 by 2 of volume of hemisphere. So that is 3 by 2 into V1 is already we done here, 44 into 49 by 3. 3 ones cancel, 2 ones, 2 22s, that is 22 into 49 cubic centimeters. If you want to do this one, మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు కూడా. అయితే ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడమ్మా, క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద కోన్ ఆర్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ టాయ్. హైట్ ఆఫ్ కోన్ కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. హైట్ ఆఫ్ కోన్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ కోన్ ఫార్ములా అమ్మా మీకు తెలిసిందే. Let height of cone be taken as h. Therefore, according to formula 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to, how much value came for us? 22 into 49 cubic centimeters. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r value already given for us, 7 into 7 into h is equal 22 into 49, children. 22 ones, 22 ones, 7 7s are 49, 49 ones, 49 ones. H by 21 is equal to 1, h is equal to 21 centimeters. So height of the cone is this one. When you know the height of the cone and radius is 7, we need to find slant height. Slant height వస్తేనే కదా మనకు CSA వచ్చేది. Slant height is equal, L is equal square root of h square plus r square. That is, h value is 21 square, r value is 7 square. Finally, you got 441 plus 49 root 490. Root 490. So, we need to find the square root of 490 approximately. Let us see, follow this one. The bar method, 2 2s are 4, subtraction 90, multiply with 2, 4, 42 2s, 84. Do subtraction 6, point keep here, double 0 take 2 down, this one multiply with 2, 44, once 44, 441. So, the approximately 22.1 centimeters. This is slant height of the cone. Now, CSA of the toy. Children, CSA of toy, directly I am doing this one. CSA of toy is nothing but CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. HS I am writing the short form CSA of hemisphere. Finally, CSA of cone formula pi RL plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Here we take pi r as the common factor, all L plus R. So, substitute the values, 22 by 7 into R value is 7, L value already came for us 22.1 centimeter and R is 7. Substitute the values, you have to do yourself. Okay, children, these are the two problems today for us, and do in the classwork, children. Bye.